We thought if we're really going to change the culture in the locker rooms at the National Hockey League, in diversity, inclusion, safe locker rooms, you have to do it at the junior level and the amateur level. You can't start when they're walking into a professional locker room. I definitely didn't graduate from college and say, I want to be a team president, which a lot of kids do. I was not one of them.
1871, I love that they step up, the fact that they're committed to it, the size of the crowd, the number of people that were here from a lot of different backgrounds, a lot of different businesses was incredible. And I believe in tech. I believe in adding more representation and diversity into that. And so if I can do anything to help inspire somebody to get involved, inspire somebody to stay involved, then that's what I want to do.
My brain does live in the future for innovation for the Blackhawks when I got there. And it's interesting, when you are a very successful business, but certainly a successful sports team, winning masks a lot of things.
We're part of the fabric of the city of Chicago. That is who we are. We play for everybody in the city of Chicago. So it's really important for us to care about the people that are coming up, either showing up to watch or to work, and then certainly caring about our neighbors that are right outside our doors.
We were fortunate enough to get Connor Bedard, generational talent. He's everything everybody thought he would be on the ice, but his parents did such a good job with him. He is so incredibly grounded. He is a good human. And so the example of somebody who's so talented, who is also such a good human and a good person and a great teammate, respectful of everybody, is really, really important. And he's 18, right? That's the model that we want.
Regardless of whether we're at the top of the standings or at the bottom of the standings, we will wake up every day with that same mission.